How to fix battery life on your iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can fix the battery life for your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure that your iPad is currently tuned on, and right over here you can see if your battery is draining relatively too fast. There are a couple of things which we can do. The very first thing we will do is we will simply open up settings. Once you open up settings, on the left hand side you want to simply go to this option which says general, and once you go to general, on the right hand side you want to go to the option which says background app refresh. Once you select background app refresh, what I would recommend you do is to simply turn off this toggle next to background app refresh. Why I'm saying you to turn off is because background app refresh is going to refresh all of your apps in the background even when you're not using it, so that whenever you open the app you always have the latest post, you always have the latest feeds. But that in itself is also a disadvantage because that is going to consume lots of and fair amount of battery in the background. So I would recommend you simply turn off background app refresh if you don't really use it all the time, because that is simply going to help save you lots of battery. The other thing I would also recommend you do is the hardware issues, that is to simply not use your iPad or any iOS device while it is on charge. So I would recommend you, when it's in charge, just leave it at that. Do not play games, do not use it unless it's really important. And after that, last but not the least, if I would actually give you a suggestion to preserve battery, that would also be to simply turn on low power mode. So go to the option called battery on the left hand side, and you can see this option which is low power mode. All you have to do is turn on this toggle, and it is going to help save you much amount of battery for your iPad. And similarly, the other thing I would also recommend you do, which nobody tells you, is to use your iPad in dark mode. So what this does is that light mode is actually emitting lots of light from your iPad screen, which as a result is going to consume lots of battery. But if you use your iPad in dark mode, it is going to help you save lots of battery, and also it is going to help save strain on your eyes. In order to do that, first of all, go to the display and brightness. Over here, simply select the option called dark. So if you go to light, it will emit actually lots of light and it will consume your battery. So I would recommend you always use your iPad on dark mode. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.